Hi guys, I'm Karthikesh. In this video, we are going to use a LCD display with I2C module. So let's go and let's get it. So for this tutorial, we need Arduino UNO and LCD display, and then we need I2C module. Next, we need 4 male to female jumper cables, and then at last Arduino UNO cable. So first we need to connect the LCD display with I2C module. There are two ways to connect the LCD display and to the I2C module. The one of the way is we can use breadboard to connect those I2C module and then LCD display. In this case I am using soldering to connect those I2C module and the LCD display. So see here, I am soldered the two modules here in this way, so you can able to see there. Okay, see there, I am soldered it. You can use breadboard also, so but using of soldering we can make it more compact. And then see the 4 pins in the I2C module. There is GND, VCC, SDA and SCL. We are going to make a wire connection using this 4 pin to our Arduino Uno. So the first pin, the VCC pin, goes to the Arduino Uno 5-volt pin. So you can see in the circuit diagram in the link in description and also in the video. So see here, I am connecting VCC to the Arduino 5-volt and then ground to the Arduino ground. Next SDA and SCL to the A4 and A5 of Arduino Uno, which is analog pins. Okay, at last we are going to connect the Arduino to PC with the help of Arduino cable. So the programming part of this project is we need two libraries, which is liquid crystal and wire library. I give the link in the description so you can download the zip file, but don't extract those zip files because the library is need to be in the zip format. Okay, now open the Arduino software and then go to sketch column and then select include library and add zip library, and then we need to add those two libraries in our Arduino software. Okay, first I'm going to add liquid crystal library. Okay, it's successfully added, and then I'm going to add the wire library. Okay, it's also done. Sorry, I'm already having the wire library, it's not a problem. Then go to examples. You can see there is two libraries, which is liquid crystal and I2C. In this case we are using that liquid crystal I2C, and go to the hello world program. In this program there are so many things we don't need because we are using the LCD 16x2. In this program it's already pre-programmed it 20x4. You can see here, I'm just removing those comments. You can see that 20,4 we need to replace with 16,2, and then in LCD.set cursor 3,0 because it's only having 16x2, so 2 lines 16 columns. So I'm going to change 1,0 and 1,1. so you can also change these strings according to your needs. I'm going to change this string into subscribe to Karthikesh robot because I already mentioned that the LCD display is 16x2, which is 16 column and 2 rows. So the when I type Karthikeshrobotics fully, it's be an error and some part of the line is not be shown. Okay, I'm going to upload this program, verify and upload it. After uploading the program to our LCD module, we can see the black boxes. After few seconds our program will execute. So see here, subscribe to Karthikesh Robotics. So that's all, the project is over. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikesh Robotics.